It started 7, 8 months ago, right? All for this moment. It's about honor. It's about respect. We win this game, you're honored. Your kids are honored. Your families are honored. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go!
You want to play zone coverage, this quarterback will absolutely eat you alive.
Quick throw, underneath, touchdown Patriots! He finds LaFell on the sled!
He's thrown with authority.
Shuffles left, fires back to the end zone, touchdown New England! Brady drops back, he lobs it to the right side for Gronkowski, has a step, has a touchdown! Tom looks back, throws for Edelman, touchdown Patriots!
And it's been all year long. Number 12.
Oh my God! We did it, John!